Curious Minds is a primary skills programme that helps spark curiosity about the world around us through science, technology, engineering and maths. And all aspects of the programme really come down to nurturing that curiosity that young learners have so naturally and supporting teachers to do that effectively.
Curious Minds is such a great name for this award because it really inspires children and feeds their curiosity and makes them want to know about the world around them.
But it's not just about becoming a scientist, it's also about just being comfortable with making decisions in a very scientific world.
Inquiry-based learning in science education is really important because it provides children with the opportunity to explore the world around them through questioning.
So our inquiry-based learning approach means that teachers don't have to be an expert in science or engineering to teach their learners these critical thinking skills that are so important in the STEM areas and in life in general. The programme offers exciting resources and experiments that teachers can download for free on our website curiousminds.ie. We've got an amazing CPD programme. We also have our Curious Minds Awards for primary schools that really give schools recognition for the amazing STEM learning that they do in their class throughout the year. And lastly, we have Discover Centres spread across Ireland that offer STEM education for schools all across Ireland. And these kind of informal STEM learning opportunities can have really long-lasting impact on the learners.
Doing these awards has helped our teaching immensely, and the quality of our engagement with science and science teaching has improved enormously since we started.
The kids were totally engaged from start to finish because it was their project and they took full responsibility for it. And then there was great feedback from parents and pupils at the end.
The younger you are when you get involved in science and encouraged in science, all the evidence is that it makes a huge difference to the rest of your life. So do get involved with Curious Minds and we'll be really delighted to hear from you.